Hey everyone, what's up? This is Stephen KC Railfan here, and welcome to another model railroading video. So today, I'd like to show you guys, today is my birthday today. So, for my birthday, I just want to show you guys some new trains I got. So, you guys ready to see what I got? So, I have something that is a Walters main line right here, so I'll show you guys in about 3, 2, 1. So, you guys ready to see what it is? One of the few trains I got? Here they are. So one of the few trains I got is I have two tank cars. These are the Trinity 25,000 gallon tank cars. So both examples are in the Procore scheme. So I have both Procores. They look very nice. As you can see, it's pretty nicely detailed. I mean, I know the railings and the pipings are plastic, so be sure you be very careful with these. So usually my best way to get these out without damaging it is like usually put your fingers on both sides, like use 2 hands, and you put one right here, another one right here. So yeah, so I'll show you guys. So it's got the safety striping, Procores look nice, and all that, but it doesn't have the last detail on the labels right here, and also placards. It's also got the Protomax couplers, metal wheels, lots about that. So pretty cool. So, because I've seen these Procore tank cars a lot when I'm rail fanning, so probably a perfect addition to get these. So, I'll show you the body. It's really nicely done too. So there's that. So, I have 2 of them here. So, here's the other one. So, let me see the different road number. Very nice. So, there's that. So, those are the tank cars. So, now we'll move on to this look right here. This right here is a new locomotive to the layout. This is a Walters mainline EMD SD60. So my example is the CITX or CEFX SD60, because I know some rail fans want to call them CEFX or CITX. So let me bring this up to you guys. You can see it's very nicely detailed, being a budget-friendly locomotive. So you can see it's got the snowplow, everything. Very nice. And I don't think there's a cab interior, so that's okay. Fine by me. The horn. So, it's a pretty nice locomotive. So, I know this is an ex-Soo Line locomotive, because I know Soo Line sold off some of their SD60s, which I believe are 6,000 through 6020, I believe, are the ones that are sold. So, this one I got here, so I got 6003, because the other one that's DCC ready is 6,000, but I probably get 6003 because the reasons for that is I watched some videos of it, and it has a beautiful P3 horn. So it's pretty cool. So I'll show you. Let me turn it around a little bit. So there's the other side. Very nice. Very nice. So there it is. So there's my newest locomotive. So I can't wait to run this. You'll see this in future operating sessions. Like maybe you'll see them on either BNSF, NS, UP, whatever. So it's pretty cool. So I can give you guys a front view of it. Oh, looks very nice. So I'm actually really glad with that, the fact that Walters did another run of SD60s, and this time they include some modern ones. And a couple like 90s ones, like, because I know they did, so schemes they did in the recent run. I believe this is the second run. I know they did the CFX, Canadian Pacific, Oakway, which, you know, Oakway are those blue and white painted locomotives that Burlington Northern leased did. That they used on their coal trains back in the 80s and 90s. Susquehanna, KCS, Grey Ghost. I'm not sure. I think that's all I can think of at this moment. Because, well, they have a variety. So I decided to go with this one because I think this is a beautiful scheme. So I'm thinking about getting another one of these, like maybe Canadian Pacific, something like that. But it'd be really cool. It's cool. This is a cool locomotive. So there's that. So these are the Walter stuff. So, and now I'll show you guys something else cool, which are these right here. These ones I haven't been unboxed because these I will do a review on these sometime in the near future or so. So also look out for a review of the SD60. So these will be reviewed in the future. So I got 4 scale trains, 86-foot boxcars. So examples I have, because I'm thinking about bringing back the auto parts train, like NS 120, 181, because I haven't ran them in like possibly a few years now, just because they've been giving me trouble with some of the tracks, you know, uncoupling and something's derailing. Because I know they recommend the radius to 24, but minimum radius is 22. But so, anyways. So the first one I have is from Scale Trains is the Grand Trunk Western. So there's that. So this is they said this is an XDTNI. So it's pretty cool. Looks very nice. Because I probably get that one because that you still see those. Because I'm just getting like road names that you still see on NS 120, 181. So the next one I have is an operator. This is the Southern. So there's that, Southern. And next I have our 2 variants of Conrail. The first one is this one, right here. This one is basically has the extra large logo. So you can see that extra large can opener. Looks really cool. So this is, I believe, is a X New York Central. And this one's another one. This is the scheme that you still see on the auto parts trains, Conrail. So this is another ribbon counter. So there's that. So I have 4 of them here. It's really cool. So I'm looking forward to doing the auto parts train again, because one time I made like a voting poll and it looks like auto parts got the most votes. So I'm thinking about bringing these back again. So hopefully I can get some more of these, because I really love the second one. The second one has a variety of road names that like A6 boxcars are still around today, and they're used with like the auto parts trains that NS trains 120 and 181. So anyways, so that makes a total, because I have 5 of them that are currently, I still have somewhere on the layout, but they're just stored right now. So that beats a total of 9. So hopefully I might get more of these scale trains ones. I might get a couple like older Walthers if I can find some off eBay. And maybe some Class 1 Model Works, because I don't have anything that's Class 1 Model Works, because that's a new manufacturer. So anyways, so basically with the new stuff I got are the boxcars, the Walters Mainline tank cars, and the SD60. So anyways, those are my birthday presents for this year. And I'm really grateful with what I got for my birthday. So yeah, so that's basically all it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Okay, have a good day, everybody.